Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I've not said them words for a while. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're all safe. I found an opportunity to do a video, so I'm getting it done now. We're going to have a go on something I didn't know I was going to do today. I just, spur of the moment, I thought, you know what, let's do a video. I'm going to attempt to pick this Basi padlock. Now, I've got two of these. I didn't realise I did a video one of these a long time ago. I was just going through all my drawers and tidying them up, and I didn't realise I had another one. The other one I've got is slightly bigger than this one, but I'm actually going to attempt to pick it, even though I don't pick anymore because my hands are bad. I'm going to have a try, just for a bit of fun. But yeah, so I know, sorry I've not been around. Like I say, homeschooling, so not getting the time. Even to do with my other channel, it's really difficult getting videos done. Finding that bit of time, but yeah, for today I'm back. So we're going to try and attempt to pick this. Let me show you the bitting first. It's got some pretty evil bitting. I'm not going to take the keys off. I'm going to try and pick it while the keys are still on there. Now I haven't picked now for a long time, like I say, because I've got quite sore hands, well, especially my left hand because I'm left-handed. But let's have a look how badly out of practice I am. There's only one way to find out, and still, if it's possible for me to even make one. Make one. What am I talking about? Pick one. Let's get it in the old vice. I hope you can all see that. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, let's use a hook and let's have a look at this keyway. I think we can go for depends on the size of the tent. No, that one is not, certainly not fitting in there. Maybe we need something a little bit thinner. Nope. Is this going to be a bottom keyway? Can we get this in there? Wow. I'll lift these keys up to the top. There we go. I can get this in there proper tight. Well, we're having a problem looking for tension wrench. An extra small one. That's such a tight keyway. We may do this medium hook. Let's go. Nope, that's not right. Don't know. I think. Oh, we got a little turn of the cord there. Let me unzoom out a little bit. We're a bit too close there. All me massive fingers are in the way. Because I've not picked up. I might even have to try this in the hand. No, it's giving me. Not feeling anything back on that. Yeah, it's got a little nice pericentric keyway. Oh, we've got a little turn of the core there. It does hurt the old fingers though. Get a bit feedback then. What's going on with that first pin? about that. An awful camera angle. Until I've not done this for a while. I think, I can't tell, but like I say, when my hand's being numb now, it's like the feedback is difficult to feel. I've just overset something for definite. It's more sound I'm going off. And a little bit more. I'm looking to feel some counter, but we've got some then on the first pin. Oh, we're open. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, my fingers. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yes. No way did I pick that. Let's take the keys off a minute. That was like blind picking then. That genuinely was guesswork, but look at it again. See, it opens super smooth. Oh, my hand on my fingers. Wow. But, you know what? It was worth the pain. I actually picked a lock again. I didn't think I would actually ever get to pick another lock. But yeah, a little Basi stainless steel. It was a fun little lock. But that was pure guesswork, and with a bit in being so, you know, quite nasty, I certainly didn't think I was going to do that. Yeah, quite chuffed with myself. So maybe now and again I can, you know, as well as doing the gutting videos, I can still have a go at picking lock. I could just go off the sound more than the feel. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I'm just chuffing myself slightly. But yeah, so hope everybody's doing well. Still, I know I've asked this. I have been catching up. I've been liking your videos. Still might not be commenting on every one of them, but no matter what, you always get your thumbs up and you always get a watch. But something with coffee. Well, I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and if I get some time, hopefully I'll try and budget and push some time in for next Sunday, and we'll get another video done. Stock clock Sunday anyway, isn't it? But yeah, so thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.